What's up? It's Mopar Hemi. Y'all can look me up. It's Mopar dot
Yesterday,
Life.
This a new video. This the next day. Yesterday, I went to Audio Zone with my boy Royalty on 24s. Told me to go to. You know, y'all will see it when I post the video. But you know, this is a little intro to just give y'all like what's up, like what I'm about to do. It's a 2016 Nissan Rogue. I put some tweeters in it, but I ain't finished with it cause I gotta get this dash kit. But y'all will see, I mean, you know, y'all will hear everything that's like really going on in the video. I stopped using my GoPro. I'ma just use that like for like if I go racing or anything like that. But yeah, just stay tuned. Like we about to come up. Y'all know I'm in a car club called Royal Familia, you know, Royalty. You know, that shit about to come up. I already got two trophies for my Jeep. Y'all know I don't got it no more, but stay tuned cause I'm dropping a Tahoe or a Suburban. But yeah, just stay tuned. But the Nissan, I might put some 6s on it, but I don't know cause it's my girl car. You know how women is. They run over all potholes. They hit every speed bump. They don't go slow. They do by like 25 on the speed bump. I be telling my girl like slow down. You feel me? But her car is a Nissan. She said she want her car to get repainted. I gotta order the bumper. That ain't why people blowing. People crazy out here in Texas, bro. They don't know how to drive in Texas, bro. Like, my granny got in a whole car accident down here. In a rental I had, like, it's crazy how people, how people drive down here. They drive like they can't get hit. But anyways, like, I'm in my work car, F-150, Super Duty. But yeah, she said she want to wrap, and I said you might as well get it painted. The dinner the same price. But when I get the dash kit, cause I already wired the tweeters to the radio, but I ain't never put the new radio in. I just got everything right, you know, wired in the back. But I will post that video of the car cruise. Y'all see what they got. Y'all see? Oh, do y'all got it in stock? What's up?
You want Royalties group?
Yeah.
I don't have that dash kit here right now.
Okay.
I can pick it up if you need to, but it'll be tomorrow before I can get it in.
Okay. That's cool.
You want to get my order for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Do me a favor, get his name and number, put it on a piece of paper, and I'll pick it up and I'll bring it in for you, no problem. Royalties my boy, man.
All right. Cause we in a, you know, he my CEO for my car club.
No, he's a good dude, man.
Yeah.
But I got you. I'll get it taken care of. I'm just trying to get this other guy here. You see that guy back there, the grumpy old man. So.
All right. Thank you.
Oh, he's an army. Can I help you?
Oh, I see it. It's Hemi, big Hemi. I'm at the AutoZone. Getting a little dash kit. Y'all know I'm about to start doing car videos. I really been like working on some stuff. Well, I said this, like, you know, this my girl car. She only put some bass in it. But I'll see y'all later.